everyone. So this is the last test that you're doing for your first opinion writing paragraph on the best pets. So yesterday you wrote your final draft. I know that you worked really hard on it. I know that you edited and you revised and added anything extra that you wanted to add to make it even stronger than it was before. Now today, as I told you, you are going to be doing your opinion paragraph rubric. You're going to be reading through this and then looking back at your final draft and seeing, did I do these things or did I not? What level do you think that I'm at? So I want to go through this right now, and you should get yours out as well. It's on the next page after you're organizing your first draft, okay? So let's look through this together. So the first thing, it says topic sentence, and as you can see, the numbers up here go from 4 to 1, with 4 being the best, and then 1 means that we might need a little bit more work because we're working on things. And then 2 and 3, 2 is like, oh, we're kind of doing it, but still need more work. And 3 is like, we did it, but we can do slightly better. So let's go through this together. So for your topic sentence, your opinion is clearly stated and grabs the reader's attention. So not only did you say, in my opinion, and told them exactly what you thought the best pet is, it was very clear, but you also had some kind of hook there. You didn't just say, in my opinion, my favorite pet is a rabbit, and that's the only way you started it. You gave something else. So 3 says, opinion stated. You had that, but does not grab the reader's attention. So all you said was, in my opinion, my favorite pet is a blank, or the best pet is a blank, okay? 2, opinion stated, but it's not clear. So if you started talking about a lot of different animals, I like hamsters and rabbits and dogs, and they're all really great, and I'm going to tell you why. That's going to confuse the reader because they don't know, right, what you mean. And then topic sentence either does not state an opinion or is not included. And I know none of you did that, okay? So supporting reasons. Facts, details, and examples are skillfully used to support this topic sentence. At least 3 supporting reasons are included. Okay, so this means that for each of your big ideas, your supporting reason, okay, you not only gave a example as to why that you feel the way that you do, okay, why you feel like a rabbit is the best pet or whatever animal that you chose, but you gave details to further support that. Okay, so like when I said they are friendly, I didn't just leave it at that. I also explained why. When I said they are intelligent, I didn't just move on to another supporting reason. I explained why they're intelligent, and I even looked things up. I gave facts, okay? Facts, details, and examples are used, but not always in support of the topic sentence. At least 3 supporting reasons are included. So that might mean that you gave some reasons, but each of your reasons, they didn't really stay on topic. So for example, if I had here to begin with, rabbits are friendly, and then I started talking about how other animals are friendly too, or I brought up a funny story that had to do with rabbits, or I brought up some person that was also friendly. Okay, those all have to do with being friendly, but that doesn't have to do with your opinion and your topic. Okay, so you want to just stick and focus to that topic. Every supporting reason needs to support your topic sentence. 2 would be that you had few facts and details and less than 3 supporting reasons. And then 1 would be that you didn't include these, okay? So if you give yourself a 4, that means that not only did you give 3 reasons, but you also gave details explaining each reason. Okay, so you didn't just say, first they're friendly, next they're intelligent, last they're easy to care for. That's why my opinion's correct. You gave details. Now your closing sentence, 4 would be it restates the topic or draws some conclusion, so the reader knows that you're done. 3 would be the closing sentence is unclear or too similar to the topic sentence. So that would be if you wrote a closing sentence, but you said the same exact thing that you said in your topic. You want to look for synonyms or use different linking words like you had on that linking word page. This page right here, it gives you a lot of examples. Finally, in conclusion, overall, for all of these reasons, as a result, in summary, use these, okay? 2 would be that it's unclear and unrelated, okay? And one would be that you didn't have one at all, okay? Next, your structure. Sentences are complete and varied. So did you write in complete sentences? Okay, and linking words are used. Did you use first? Did you use second? Did you use next? Did you use last? Sentences are complete but lack variation. So that would mean that you kind of started your sentences the same way every single time. So I think. Remember, we always talk in class that you don't want to be the little like robot that says the same sentences over and over. How can you make them be different? Some sentences were incomplete and few linking words were used, and then many sentences were incomplete. So remember, in a complete subject, a complete sentence, it has to be a complete thought, right? You have to have a subject and a predicate. Mechanics, that all has to do with your grammar, punctuation, spelling, and capitalization. So you had no errors, you had a few, you had some, or there were just so many. And then last but not least, legibility, that has to do with your neatness. Was it easy to read, mostly easy to read, difficult to read, in some places, or just the whole thing, okay? And so what you're going to do today is you're going to go to your final draft and you're going to go through these and you're going to ask yourself, you're going to put a check or circle the box and ask yourself, what do you think, okay? And that's great. If you feel like you have all fours, I really want you to go back and see, well, was there something that I could have done better? Could I have had a better attention grabber? Could I have had extra details? Could I have added facts? If you think you're all fours, that's wonderful. That means that you're really confident in your writing, and that's great. But you do want to make sure, could I have gone a little farther? Because every week also, we do want our writing to get stronger and stronger and stronger, okay? And you are going to share this. So you're going to mark off where you think you were, okay? And then you are going to share this to Seesaw. You're going to take a picture, make sure that I can see where your checks are, okay? And then after that, if you want to go back and go back to your work and say, okay, you're right. Maybe I thought I had some supporting reasons that were good, but now that I'm looking at this rubric, I can tell that I could have done a little more. Then you can go back in and change that up. And I can even see it on your Google documents since I can see the edits that you're making, okay? So this is what I want you to spend your time doing today. And then you'll have this down. So next week you'll know exactly what to do, and you'll even know what to look for before you even get to your final draft. Okay? Have fun.